Let's talk about engine oil. Some engines require regular motor oil and some require synthetic blend oil. It's very important to change the oil in the filter every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. And very, very important in the winter months to check your owner's manual and convert over to a winter grade oil. Some manufacturers recommend one grade and some manufacturers recommend a different grade. Have a professional do it or you can do it yourself, but make sure you put enough oil in it and always change the filter all the time.